Hello everyone. So in this lecture we'll see what is Bernoulli's equation and we'll see some examples also. So guys, we can say that the equation written in the form the equation written in the form, let's say, dy by dx plus py equals to q into y raised to power n is called Bernoulli's equation. Is called Bernoulli's equation. So we can say that guys, here P and Q are what? Functions of X, nothing else, isn't it? So in this format, if any equation is written, then that equation is known as what? We can say that that is known as what? Bernoulli's equation, isn't it? Okay, so we'll see how to solve these, we can say that Bernoulli equation and this type of differential equation. So let us see what is the working rule to solve this particular Bernoulli's equation. So in working rule, first one we can say that, let's say first part, that is divide the equation, divide the equation 1 by y raised to power n on both sides, isn't it? So the given equation is what? That is dy by dx plus py equals to q into y raised to power n. Now divide this equation by y raised to power n on both sides. So equation becomes what? We can say that dy by dx into 1 upon y raised to power n plus we can say that py divided by y raised to power n, and that is q y raised to power n divided by y raised to power n. So after division, we can see, yes, this y raised to power n will cancel out with y raised to power n, isn't it? Now, the equation becomes what? We can say that the equation becomes, yes, we can say that dy by dx multiplied by y raised to power minus n plus we can say that p into y raised to power minus n plus 1 is equals to q. Let's say that is equation 2, isn't it? That is equation 2. Now next step is what? Second step, we can say that in the working rule, now put v equals to y raised to power minus n plus 1. Now differentiate on both sides with respect to, we can say that, x. Now this equation becomes what? We can say that dv by dx. Now that is minus 1 plus 1. Yes, y raised to power minus n plus 1, isn't it? Then we can say that minus 1. And again, finally, differentiation of y with respect to x will be dy by dx, isn't it? So this power will came at the front and minus 1 will be there in the power. That is the differentiation, you know very well, isn't it? So we can say that here plus 1 will be cancelled out with minus 1. So this becomes what? dv by dx equals to minus n plus 1 raised to y raised to power minus n dy by dx, isn't it? Okay. From here we can say that y raised to power minus n dy by dx becomes what? That is 1 upon 1 minus n into dv by dx, isn't it? Now put this value in equation number 2, isn't it? So put this value in equation 2, isn't it? So what equation 2 will become? Yes, let me see once. Let's say, yes, that is your equation number 2. That is y raised to power minus n dy by dx plus p into y raised to power minus n plus 1 equals to q, isn't it? That is equation 2. Now substitute y raised to power minus n dy by dx equals to 1 upon 1 minus n dv by dx, isn't it? So this equation becomes what? We can say that also, yes, substitute, yes, we assumed v equals to y raised to power minus n plus 1, isn't it? So put these two values in this equation, yes, that is your equation 2, isn't it? So this equation becomes what? We can say that 1 upon 1 minus n dv by dx plus p into y raised to power minus n plus 1 is equals to q. Also put this value. This is also equals to v. So finally this equation becomes 1 upon 1 minus n dv by dx plus pv equals to q, isn't it? I hope this one is clear to everyone. Okay. Now simplify this one. Yes. So yes, simplify this one. Next one. This becomes what? dv by dx plus 1 minus n, that is p, and next one we can say that that is v equals to 1 minus n into q. Yes. Now you can see this equation, this Bernoulli equation is we can say that get reduced into linear differential equation. Now this is a linear, we can say that a differential equation. Yes or no? And you know how to solve linear differential equation, isn't it? Okay. So yes, we'll see. Yes, that is the, we can say that reduction of Bernoulli's equation into linear differential equation, isn't it? Now you know in the previous lectures you seen how to solve a linear differential equation. So in the next two lectures we'll see some examples based on Bernoulli equation, and we'll see how to solve the Bernoulli equation. I hope this one, that format of Bernoulli equation and how to reduce the Bernoulli equation into linear differential equation, the procedure is clear to you guys. Okay guys? Okay. So thank you so much.